Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Subaru Outback Premium, stock reference number 5246. This shape runs from the 8th month 2014 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light with surround, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, power lift tight, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has two small dents, as does the right front door, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and second row seats all in black leather with headrests.